If you want to give your Bluehost website a completely custom look, one of the easiest ways to do that is by adding custom fonts. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can upload your font, apply it to your site, and save the changes without getting lost in the settings. This is a great way to make your website feel more branded, more professional, and more unique. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Since Bluehost websites usually run on WordPress, this is where you'll manage your site's design settings. Once you're inside WP Admin, look to the left-hand menu and go to Appearance. Then click Editor. This opens the Site Editor, where you can control the styling options for your website. Next, inside the editor, click Styles. This area controls the overall visual appearance of your site, including colors, layout, and typography. Since we're adding a font, we want the typography settings. So go ahead and click Typography. Now you should see the font controls for your website. Look for Manage Fonts. This is where WordPress allows you to add or upload fonts that aren't already available in the default list. Once you find it, click Upload or Add Fonts depending on what your dashboard shows. At this point, you'll need the actual font file saved on your computer. You can upload file types like WOFF, WOFF2, TTF, and other supported font formats. Choose the font file you want to use, then upload it into WordPress. After the file is uploaded, add the font so it becomes available inside your site's typography options. Once the font has been added successfully, the next step is to apply it to your website. You can select the new font for your headings if you want your titles and section headers to stand out, or apply it to your text if you want your body content to use the new style. In many cases, you may want to use one font for headings and another for paragraphs, so your site looks clean and balanced. After choosing the font for the correct text areas, make sure to click Save. This is the step that locks in your changes and publishes the new font styling to your Bluehost website. Without saving, the changes won't carry over to your live site, so don't skip this part. Once saved, preview your website and check how the font looks across different pages. Make sure the new typography matches your brand and is still easy to read on desktop and mobile. If it feels too bold, too thin, or hard to read, you can always go back and try another font until you find the right fit. And that's it. You've now learned how to add custom fonts to a Bluehost website using the WordPress site editor. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a huge difference in how your site looks and feels. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.